Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste to Ravi and all of you.
Yes, namaste. Bhagavan, oh, nice to see you. Namaste.
Love you all. So now,
Thank you.
you be translating after I've spoken, is it?
Yes, we're gonna translate, Bhagavan.
So I suppose go
Yes, please.
and speak for a small periods of time.
Yes.
But it could be easy for you to translate.
Yes.
So now,
Bhagavan,
I shall be go ahead.
let me show you the people. I will go with the camera around the room that you can
Oh,
see
yes, oh, yes.
people.
Yes, it's perfect. Go ahead. Very nice seeing you all. Makes me very happy.
Sehr schön, euch alle zu sehen, das macht mich sehr glücklich.
Yes,
Love you
Bhagavan.
all.
Ich liebe euch alle.
We are around 300 people here, Bhagavan.
Wir sind ungefähr
Aha.
100.
Yes, and now we can start with the questions. Thank you, Bhagavan.
I see. Do we have a trainers there?
Yes.
How many trainers we have?
Trainers?
Trainers, one is trainers.
Trainers. One is trainers.
Yes. Can you stand up, the trainers, please? Eckhart, Michael,
I see.
and
Oh.
Petra, Rosemarie, Rolf, Rainer,
I see. Okay.
Marianne.
Yes. Oh, how many trainers we have totally in Germany?
10. 11, yes, sorry,
10.
11.
11. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
So now shall we go ahead with the questions?
Yes.
Okay. The first question you will answer it and ask it in Germany, and then Nastamakan will tell me in English. Then we go ahead.
Okay, then start in German.
First question. Dear Bhagwan, from the 300 people of the hall, almost 50% are Diksha trained. Could you please tell them your vision for the next years?
See, this whole work is about 2012 and making use of the energies of 2012 to bring about transformation in human consciousness. That is, to raise the levels of human consciousness so that our problems would slowly dissolve. Our problems arise because we function from a lower level of consciousness. So we believe that using the energies of 2012, we will be able to raise the levels of human consciousness whereby our problems will be solved. Not only personal problems, but problems concerning the world and the earth could be solved. Please translate up to that point. Now, because the time is very short, we want to make some change of plans. We continuously keep watching these energy levels and accordingly we make changes. Please translate. Now, this phenomenon began in the year 1989 and it has been controlled. Now the time has come when the phenomenon should not be controlled any longer, it should be released. Please translate. What is holding back this phenomenon, which we call the oneness phenomenon or the Anabhavan phenomenon, which started in the year 89, are two factors. One is money, the other is courses. Please translate. So we want to remove these chains so that the phenomenon could explode over the planet. So now what we propose to do is, from December the 3rd, all oneness trainers who do the oneness experience course could also initiate people into becoming blessing givers. There is no need to attend a level 1 or a level 2 or come to India. Please translate. So all that you must do is conduct the oneness experience course without the video. Come from your own life experience. You may take the contents of the video, make it yours, digest it, and come from your understanding and conduct the course. That's the first thing. Please translate. After that, you could initiate them from December the 3rd. Now, you must find out what is the sunrise time in Germany on December the 3rd. After sunrise, December the 3rd, you will be able to initiate the people directly. Because on December the 3rd, we will have some special programs here, whereby using a remote switch, we will activate these things for the trainers. After that, they will be able to do it straight away in Germany itself on December the 3rd. Please translate. All that you must do is, after doing the course for 2 days, make the person sit before you, make him relax, and you should relax. Thereafter, I just give a small demonstration, you can see. Now, in case he is the one whom you have got to initiate, what you must do is, after relaxing him and you are relaxed, you must invoke Amma Bhagavan by praying to them and telling them, Amma Bhagavan, please enter into this person and make him into a blessing giver. Now, if you have a good connection with Christ, you could use Christ. If you have a good connection with Allah, you could use Allah. Or if you have got any other form of connection with the divine, you can use that connection. But in case for any other connection, then you could use Amma Bhagavan. Amma Bhagavan, whether you have connection or no connection, Amma Bhagavan will work. But for the others, there must be a divine connection. If there is no connection, it won't work. Whether in Amma Bhagavan's case, connection or no connection, whether you discard them or not, it will work. So all that you must do is, you have to pray, invoke, please come up. Can you see his head? So, you have to go to the center of his head. Now the small babies, you have noticed, the center is very soft. It takes some time for it to become hard. That spot we call the Brahmarandhara. Now you have to place your middle fingers on that spot. The other 2 fingers can touch the head. The thumbs can touch and the 4 fingers can touch. It's more like a pyramid. Now hold your hand, your fingers like this, and then start praying for 3 minutes. You must pray with passion for the person concerned, saying that please Amma Bhagavan or please Lord Christ, enter him and make him into a blessing giver. Keep on repeating as many times as you could possibly do in 3 minutes. And then just relax, and after 5 or 10 minutes, make him give blessing to the people around. And as he gives the blessing, energies will start flowing into him. And the following days and weeks, as he keeps giving the blessing, it will become very, very powerful. It will be extremely powerful here, 2010. And he becomes a blessing giver. It's a very simple process. It is the shortcut we have got to use now, because you don't have much time. You have to produce.
Hat also jetzt beschrieben,
We have to produce large numbers of blessing gifts. We have no time to lose. This is a shortcut we are using. Now, please translate.
hat jetzt gerade beschrieben,
If you want any help, you can help you.
Okay. Thank you, Bhagavan.